Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to Fab Crypto YouTube channel. All right, my name is Sam. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you two important patterns or what Bitcoin is doing here and how you can take advantage for this pattern for massive profit, guys. All right, so kindly pay very good attention to this video and subscribe to this channel and like this video, share with your friends as we dive into the chart. Now we've seen a breakout, guys, as we told you guys yesterday. A breakout is coming. And remember what I told you yesterday. If you go to 1 hour, I told you guys yesterday that I'm seeing a weakness in 1 hour, okay, and which actually played out yesterday. You can see that here. There's a retracement after this. So now, but the good news is that we are still trending, moving above the channel. Okay, this channel is very, very, very important in the history of Bitcoin, because why I say this channel is very, very important, if you go to 4 hours, let's just take a look at it, and you can see that ever since the mid of April, okay, we've been coming down, come down here and come down here, and this channel has been supporting this move, guys, until finally yesterday it actually broke and now is trending up. So the next question is that, are we breaking out from here down, or what are we doing from here? Because it is not over or it is over, guys. Now, before I continue on this video, if you want to make fantastic profits from irrespective of the direction of the Bitcoin, you want to trade on it, I recommend you sign up on Bybit link. Sign up on Bybit using my link below. You'll be able to get over $600 profits when you sign up using the link below, guys. All right, so now we've seen a high here. Okay, this is a 3-wave. You see a correction which is very, very sharp. Okay, we've seen this kind of a 5-wave, and now what is going on? Okay, so two things. That the first thing you need to watch out for is that this can be a potential leading diagonal. Okay, this can be a potential leading diagonal. So in the sense that this market can come here, okay, and or it can bounce this from here, it can come here and go up here, or it can retest this 618 and still come up here. But watch out for this, and after that we have something like this. Okay, so we're making it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have like a 3-wave down here before we go. But one thing you should have in the back of your mind is that this is the beginning of a new trend. Okay, this is the beginning of a new trend. So just have it in the back of your mind that after this phase is completed, we're going to see a massive bull run. All right, so what we are seeing now is like in the phase first wave. First wave is always confusing. First wave is like it's not going anywhere, and first wave, most times most people wouldn't want to trade first wave. All right, so that is the first scenario you might be looking out for. Then the second scenario that you might be looking out for is whereby the market makes a kind of, it breaks this low. Okay, it breaks this low and comes up like this and drops like this. Okay, which is, well, something like this can play out, but who knows? Okay, something like this can actually play out. So, but looking at it from all angles, I believe that since this channel has been broken, we can stick with the first scenario, whereby this will be a leading diagonal that will break out on this and also give us a 3-wave down, and then we go to like 51,000 range. Okay, so how do you take position in this kind of move? That's the most important question. How do you profit from this move? Okay, it's not enough to analyze a chart. It's also good to learn how you can be a part of the move. All right, so when you come to 1 hour, I recommend you every of your entries just start with 1 hour or 15 minutes. Most time we use 15 minutes. When you come to 1 hour, you can see this is just a break. It has given us this break now. Okay, this is the first impulse down. So we are seeing a correction which is not yet completed, and for us to see this correction clearly, you can permit me to go down to 15 minutes. If you come to 15 minutes now, you can see that there is a correction going on. So what you might be seeing on this correction might be here, something like this, come up here, okay, and still drop. Okay, I'll be interested in taking in another position when it comes to like 33,000. 33,000 range, okay, or 32,000 worst case scenario. So I'm expecting a bounce here or a bounce here, guys. Okay, so these are the 2 points you need to watch out for: 33,000 and 32,000. This is where I'm expecting a bounce. So if you're a very aggressive guy, like me, most times you can take a shot when it comes here and it's breaking out. You can take a shot to close it at this range, guys. So this would be a very good potential trade for professional traders, guys. Professional traders, this would be a very good potential trade. So so that is what Bitcoin is doing, okay, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on this. Let's wait for it, guys, to complete, because it just is still in the phase of completing this wave. Now if you take a look on Ethereum, you can still see the same thing we told you guys is playing out as we expected. Now remember, this arrow is still here. We are all expecting Ethereum to complete this and get to this point, guys, okay, to complete and get to this point. So this might be the only correction that might happen in this phase before it gets to here. Because why do I say so? You can see here it was a very sharp one. We only have one correction here and it gets to this point. So we're expecting this to play out the same way this actually plays out. So 1, 2, 3. So the same thing applies here. That is what we're expecting on Ethereum, guys. You can see how easy this will be when you understand a wave structure or how the market plays out. So that's why I expect you, if you really want to take your trading career to the next level, kindly learn how the market structure behaves, okay? It's more important than any kind of indicator you can think of or you can place on your chart. But understanding market structure, it gives you an edge, right, over the market and makes you profitable. All right, so that is what I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel and don't forget to like this video as we are waiting for a confirmation for a buy. All right, we are just waiting for a confirmation to join in more in some of the trade we have on it's Bitcoin. I closed it yesterday. I closed it yesterday night because I expected it. I expected the market to correct itself here, so I closed all the trade we entered here. I close it here, okay, so I close it here because we know that the market will be dropping, and like I see, that was a right decision we made yesterday evening. All right, but the market is not over yet, guys. It just depends on you. If you are still holding your own, don't panic, okay, because there will still be a bigger move that will be coming, okay? So that's just it. All right, guys, so please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help us share with your friends.